Now let's get started. Open your favorite web browser and visit www.notap.gov.ng. Give the page a moment to load, and you'll be greeted with the Notap website. As the page loads, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Now, scroll down until you find the login button. It's usually located on the home page. Go ahead and click on it. Now sit tight as the page prepares to redirect you to the registration section. Important note: when registering, please ensure that you use a general email address that can be accessed by everyone in your organization. Avoid using personal email addresses. You are now on the registration page. Fill in the required details accurately, and make sure to enter your organization's email address in the designated field, not your personal email. Once you've filled out the registration form, take a moment to review the information you provided. When you are satisfied, click on the Submit button to proceed. After submitting the registration form, an activation link will be sent to the email address you provided. Access your mailbox and look for the activation link. If you can't find the email, don't worry. Simply go back to the login page and click on the "If you did not get the activation email" link. On the activation email resend page, enter the email address you used for registration. If the system has captured your information, you'll see a blue tick. If not, please redo the registration process. After verifying your email address, click on the Send button. An activation link will be sent to your email address. Go to your mailbox and locate the email. Click on the activation link in the email. It will redirect you back to the login page of the Notap website. Enter your email address and password on the login page. Double-check the accuracy of your credentials. Finally, click on the login button to access your account. Congratulations! You've successfully logged in. You've completed the process of accessing the Notap website and creating an account. Enjoy exploring the various features and resources available. If you encounter any difficulties or have questions, don't hesitate to seek assistance from the support resources provided on the website. Thank you for following along with these easy steps.